Welcome to the Middle East AI News Minute for Thursday, August 24th, brought to you by Carrington Malin, marketing for an AI-first world. Saudi Arabia's government digital services have registered a 80.68% increase in digital experience maturity, according to the Digital Government Authority. 24 digital platforms were rated by 134,000 beneficiaries for customer satisfaction, user experience, complaint handling, and digital tools. Meanwhile, King Fahd Security College at KAUST, the King Abdullah University of Science and Technology, is to develop a new master's program in AI, designed specifically for the needs of Saudi Arabia's Ministry of Interior. And Chinese photovoltaic cleaning services company Sunpure Intelligent Technology has signed a deal with Egyptian company El Suwaidi Electric for a 348-megawatt solar project in Saad City, Saudi Arabia. Sunpure will deliver cutting-edge PV intelligent cleaning robots. These were today's top Middle East AI news stories, brought to you by Carrington Malin. See my weekly news digest for more stories and useful links. Thanks for listening.